Good morning. How's everybody doing? I'm in Pennsylvania right now and it's kind of chilly. Loaded. I got to stop in Columbus at one of our warehouses and get my freight rearranged. I had 2 stops that I picked up in New York, and then they added on another pickup over in Pennsylvania. So now I got to go and get everything rearranged according to my deliveries in Oklahoma and then over in Texas. So that's what I'm headed to now, to a warehouse, get everything rearranged. I wanted to speak about driver courtesy. Also, this crazy wind that we had. I know a lot of you probably saw the videos with trucks being blown over down in Texas. Don't take chances. I know your company told you, because I've heard it as long as I've been driving, 19 years. If the wind is real bad, just don't drive. I don't care how heavy you are, that wind can still blow you over if it's blowing hard enough. It has 53 feet of nothing but solid structure to push up against. So it can blow you over. If the wind gets up over 30 miles an hour and the roads is wet or anything like that, you can jackknife. If it gets up higher than that, it can flip you. So no load is that important that you got to keep driving. So I don't even understand why those drivers were still out there on the highway in high winds. It just doesn't make no sense. And the thing about the driver courtesy, lately I'm not seeing, there's a lot of drivers that just, I don't know what, they just got that it's all about me attitude. But when I was parking up in Pennsylvania, I'm backing into a spot, a truck had passed me, but I'm backing into a spot, and as I'm backing up, you got to jack your truck to get it into your parking space. But then I noticed the truck that passed me is also backing into a spot right behind me. Why would you do that? I was always told, when someone's parking, stop and wait for them to finish parking so that you don't have an accident. But I don't know, a lot of these drivers are boneheads today, because they do some extremely boneheaded stuff. And I'm seeing it more and more often where a guy was up in the area of Pennsylvania, he's trying to park. While he's trying to park, someone pulls in front of him and starts parking too. So he's moving out, the other guy's moving towards him. I'm like, really? You can't wait until he gets done. But if you hit one of these guys' truck, then they want to look at you like, well, why'd you hit my truck? Well, why was your dumb ass still moving? You saw me parking, and you decided to park while at the same time that I'm parking. Stop being a damn dumbass. I mean, I hate to sound harsh, but sometimes it's just, man, it makes you really, really wonder about certain drivers. But I didn't call to get on here to bitch and complain. I just wanted to make a short video. Be safe out there. Summertime's coming, so get yourself ready for that. It's a little bit windy now, but I know it'll be getting better. So I'll talk to you guys later. Like and subscribe if you like what I do. If you want to see some other things, I'm going to be posting some more things about the company that I'm with. So I'll talk to you then.